Well, Buddy is very spunky and, really dumb. And I'd also describe his personality as very loving, very invasive, cuddly, and just fun to be around, good energy. And then Perry is a little tooty. He's grumpy. He's still very nice and cuddly when he gets to know you, but he's very skeptical at first glance. And he's a little sad all the time, but that's okay. Sit right on your hip, just barely touching, but still to the point where it would feel like something to move, just anywhere on your body. Depends on what they're begging for. If it's food, then yes, I do usually give in. Yes, that is okay. I just don't like it when it's only half of them sitting on me. Buddy, I'd say the way he acts and his personality and also his face. Perry, I'd just say it's really, again, it's kind of personality, because when you see him at first glance, he might not be the most classically adorable dog, but he's very, very cute when he likes you. The dog's age, I don't know, Perry's 9 and Buddy is 7. So Boston Terriers naturally have really bad gas and really smelly gas, and Buddy lives up to that stereotype.